guys, today we're making dessert burritos in the air fryer.
All while having a whole lot of fun.
You see it in there?
Have a tiny bit.
Be very, very careful, but it's very, very yummy.
Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I am Cris from recipes at crock.com, and we have my special guest, Miss Ad, in the kitchen today for Foodi Friday. We are making air fryer dessert burritos. Dessert burritos have had a long history in the Goode family, in that we used to make them over a campfire on a grill. I think we've even made them in the broiler. But now that we have the Foodi, we're like, oh, we could totally make them in the Foodi. And we're here today to show you both the traditional way of making them, which is what Addie's going to do, and then I'm going to show you the way us low carbers can kind of have a special treat, even though we maybe can't use some of the same ingredients. So what we're starting out with on our table is a piece of aluminum foil and a low carb tortilla. You can do this, you're going to do these 2 at a time, so you can do as many batches as you want. We are using the traditional ingredients of what we've always used, which is peanut butter, marshmallows, and chocolate chips. Now these are sugar-free chocolate chips because that's what we keep on hand. So Miss Ad's having a little bit of low carb in her carbiness. There we go.
It isn't as bad as a normal.
And so what I'm going to have in mine, so you can go and start to put your peanut butter on while I'm talking to them. So first you want to put a little layer of peanut butter, or in Miss Ad's case, she puts a lot of peanut butter. But I'm just going to put a little bit of peanut butter on mine. And then what I'm going to use, instead of the marshmallows and chocolate chips, I could just sprinkle it with the chocolate chips, but I have the sugar-free Reese's cups that I'm going to make mine into a Reese's cup dessert burrito.
Plus, there is such thing as low-carb marshmallows.
There are. And so if we had low-carb marshmallows, I could be using those, and they are very, very yummy. We've made low-carb s'mores with them before, and we could be doing that. But you could use any kind of low-carb candy, or for those of you who aren't low carb, you could totally raid the Halloween candy this year and make dessert burritos out of it using whatever mixture of these things sound good.
Candy corn?
I don't know about candy corn.
Candy corn.
I'm thinking your chocolate type stuff.
I know, but so candy corn.
Okay.
I like candy corn.
All right, so Miss Ad's got her layer of peanut butter down, and I'm just going to put a little bit of peanut butter down on mine. To her, she's adding just a sprinkle of chocolate chips and a sprinkle of mini marshmallows. Now, the only thing that's holding you back here is your ability to shut your burrito in her case. So she needs to stop now so she can roll her burrito. Uh-oh, marshmallow down. On my case, mine isn't going to be that hard to close. I just got to get my Reese's cups undone here and put down into my chocolate.
Honey, I never put mine on.
Can you lift it up and show them what it looks like before you don't dump it? So she's got a nice full burrito there, and I've got 3 little Reese cups. These sugar-free Reese cups, you can find them at Walmart. You can get them on Amazon. I think you can get them most places that have sugar-free candy. But if you can see mine, I've just got a little smattering of peanut butter to keep them in place. And then I'm going to roll it into a burrito and tuck the sides like this. And then I'm putting it face down into my foil. Do you need help?
Okay.
You got it? She's doing the same thing. Fold it up and then face down onto the foil so that it doesn't... Yes, great. And so that if it starts to leak out, it will leak out onto the side that's not the seam. So now we're going to close the foil over it.
Basically roll it like a burrito.
Mm-hmm.
It's burrito section.
There we go. Burrito section. All right, so we're going to put both of our burritos in here. Got it? And we are going to air fry at 400 for 10 minutes. Now that is going to give us a little bit of a crispy outside and a nice, soft, yummy candy inside. So we will see you back here in 10 minutes. Or by the snap of the finger in 3, 2, 1. And we are back. And our burritos are nice and toasty. Okay, so I'm going to carefully try to get these out of here. I didn't even tell you guys, the rack is down in our Foodi to put it on. You could also do it in the air crisper bowl. You don't have to use the rack. You could do either one. Just keep it up off the bottom so that the air can circulate. Oh, she's getting down to business. I think she's grabbing a fork.
She forks them. She pulls them out.
Oh, look at her. Look at her! It's like her father's burnt himself his entire life or something. He's not listening. Woo! Okay, you want to hold your plate up so I don't do that again?
Yeah.
Okay. The aluminum foil isn't going to be too terribly hot to touch, but it will, you just got to kind of handle it gingerly. Okay. So it doesn't look very different than before, and actually Addie's has deflated because the marshmallows poof way up and then they kind of come back down, kind of like when you do them on a campfire.
Take a video of that.
Your chocolate is oozing out. Oh, I'm not even there. Your chocolate is oozing out. Doesn't that look yummy?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you want to go up there and show them up to the camera?
I've never done this before.
You haven't. Now I'm going to just,
they need to wrap it
if
up.
you can see, here, why don't you let me through? We didn't really plan this very well. We were too consumed about what we were about to consume. As you can see, the edges have gotten toasty, so it's like crispy on the outside and it's going to be ooey gooey on the inside. So Addie's like cutting a piece off of hers. I just like to wrap my foil back around it now that the foil is cooled off, and take a little bite. You got to be careful because the inside will be like molten lava. Let's see if I can show you.
Aha.
You see it in there?
Have a tiny bit.
Be very, very careful, but it's very, very yummy.
Yum, yum, yum.
I have a piece.
You like it? Mm-hmm.
Oh, I don't even give a thumbs up.
Okay.
Put it on low.
Shouldn't they give us a thumbs up if they like this video? Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. If you're not already a member of the Crock Posse, click subscribe down below and you'll become a member of our slow cooking family around here. If you would like notified every time we upload a video,
Hit the ding-a-ling.
click the ding-a-ling. That's the bell down below and it'll notify you every time we upload a video. But whatever you do,
Laugh off.
eat good food
And
and
speak
speak life. Bye, guys. All right.
I don't think I've ever gotten to do laugh often before.
Oh.
Ooh.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon link below.